How to find square root of 17 by long division method. At first you need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side, right? So this will be one pair as we have two digits. Now we have to take here number whose square will be equal to 17 or very nearest to 17. If you take here 4, then 4 square equal to 16, which is nearest to 17. So same digit will come to the quotient side also. 4 times 4, 16. Subtract 1. To continue this process, take here decimal and add pairs of zeros. You can take any pair of zeros. Bring down the first pair. Before this pair there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Since you have placed here 4, the same digit will come under the divisor and you need to add. 4 plus 4, 8. Now you need to place here a digit. The same digit will come here. Let me put the digit, look here, 100. So 1, same digit will come here. So now you need to multiply 81 times 1, then 81. This 81 product is nearest to 100. If you place here 2, then what will happen? If you place here 2, then this 2 will come here. Then 2 times 82. If you multiply, then 4, 8 times 2, 16. 164, which is greater than 100. So this is right. This is nearest to 100. So 1 is correct. 1 times 81, 81. Okay. Same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add. So you are getting this. Now subtract here 9. Okay. Then what? 1. Bring down the next pair. Now you need to take here another digit and you need to also multiply. If you take here 2, then you need to multiply this by 2. These 2 must come here. Let me check. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 8, 16. 1644. This is nearest to, this is 1900. But if you take here 3, then what will happen? If you take here 3, and let me check. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 8, 24. 2469, which is greater than this. So our guessing number 2 is correct. So 2 times this 822, that gives us this 1644. You need to subtract now. Okay. So we will get 652. Okay. Since we have placed here the digit 2, 2 will come under this divisor and you need to add. 2 times 2, 4. Then 2, 8. Bring down the next pair of 0. Okay. Now you need to consider here another digit. The same digit will come here. Okay, so let me try. If I place here 3, this 3 must come here. Now multiply 3 times this, 8 2 4 3 times 3. What will happen? Look, 8 2 4 3, 8 2 4 3 times 3, that gives us this 24,729. This is nearest to this. Okay, but if I take here 4, then what will happen? If I take here 4, then I need to multiply this 8 2 4 4 times 4. Let me use calculator to show you that. 8 2 4 4 times 4, that gives you, look, 32,976. This is greater than this, so our guessing digit 3 is correct. So if we multiply this 3 times 800 243, then we will get this 24,729. Okay, now subtract. 25,600 minus 24,729, that gives you 871. Okay, since you have placed here the digit 3, the same digit will come under this divisor, and you need to add 3 plus 3 6, and 4 2 8. Okay, to continue this process, look, you need to bring down this pair of 0. Okay, now you need to consider here a digit. Let me put 87 82 1, right? 1 will be okay, 1, so this one will come here. So 1 times this will be this 82 4 6 1. Now subtract. 87,100 minus this 82,461, that gives us this 4639. Okay, since we have placed here 1, same thing will come under this divisor, and you need to add. Okay, 2 6 4 2 8. Okay, 8 2 4 6 2. This process will continue as we have gotten 4 digit after decimal. If I want to round up to 3 places after decimal, so look, since this is less than 5, so we can write this. This process is continuing, but if you want to round this up to 3 places, then you can write 4.123. As this number is less than 5, so we don't need to add anything. So this is our answer. So the square root of 17 by long division method is 4.123.